The main thing is, as I mentioned earlier, a work experience or having some experience of doing hands-on activities with a platform such as Google Cloud would always be useful. So when you talk about tips before writing a Google Cloud certification exam, so take a proper learning path for your certification. Now, learning path includes courses, labs, and exams for each certification. So that basically will equip you with right knowledge which is required to clear a certification. Plus, you would have gained knowledge on the particular topic where you are certifying yourself, so that when you would want to upgrade your career or apply for a new job, your certification is backed up with the right appropriate knowledge on that particular topic or domain. It's very important, as I mentioned, to have hands-on practice. So do not attempt for exam certifications with theoretical knowledge only. Do a hands-on, try out different services, different options, and that basically gives you more knowledge about Google Cloud Platform, its services, its offerings, and the benefits of using GCP for your use cases. Review the exam guide properly and look for any knowledge gaps. So you can always follow the Google Clouds page, look for certification. That would also guide you through different learning paths and try to catch up or cover all the knowledge gaps which you have in a particular topic. Some certifications include lengthy case studies, and you can find these case studies in the exam guide that will help you to prepare appropriately. And finally, an essential part before taking an exam is to take practice tests, analyze where you are weak at, and go back and study again. So these are some of the tips which you need to prepare for Google Cloud certification.